Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Grok AI image generator for free. So before, if you go to any web browser and then type Grok, you will see that Grok AI right away, but the website is now cannot be searched on Google or any website. So if I search Grok AI, it will take me directly to this, and this is not Grok AI. I'm going to show you what is the logo of Grok AI. So this is the logo of Grok AI. And as you can see, the website that where I am now is not really the Grok AI. So they have already removed it. In order for you to have access or go to Grok AI generator, you have to simply log into your Twitter account. So Grok AI is now in Twitter or X. So what you're going to do is create an account. If you don't have one yet, then you have to create an account using your Gmail or your Google account. Okay, so now I am on my X, formerly Twitter. And as you can see on the left side or left section, you should see the Grok AI. And if you're going to tap this one, it will take you directly to Grok AI image generator. So if you're going to tap this Grok AI right here, it will take you directly to Grok AI interface. And then here, what you're going to do is you can just type the prompt or paste the prompt that you have copied from, let's just say, ChatGPT or Google Gemini AI. And as you can see here, there are also other features that you can choose for the model, and you can also add a file and then create a prompt using that file or out from that file. And also, as you can see, there is this choices or option. But in order for you to unlock some features here in Grok, you need to upgrade your plan. So some features here are not for free, or let's just say you have limited access to the features because you need to upgrade your plan. However, again, if you want to have free access to Grok AI, all you have to do is create an account on Twitter or X, and then on the left side, you should see the Grok AI section right here. And all you have to do is to click that one, and it will take you directly to Grok AI. So here, for example, if you don't know what prompt you're going to paste or add here, you can ask a help from ChatGPT. However, before that, you can see also different models right here that you can use, and some models are not for free. So since I'm just using the basic version or free version, let me just use the free version or model here on Grok. So before you proceed, you need to give access to Grok here so that you can use a Grok AI generator or image generator on your Twitter. So once it's connected, then you can now add or type your prompt. So basically, this is my Twitter account, and I need to connect my Grok AI or connect the Grok AI to my Twitter account. So it would be easier for me to use these features. Okay, so I will be asking ChatGPT for a prompt since I don't know how to create one. This is ChatGPT, and then here I have asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for like futuristic city. And there are tons of prompts here that I can use, and all I have to do is to just copy and then paste it to Grok AI. So as you can see, I have copied this one. Go to Grok AI image generator, paste the prompt. You can explore some of the features right here. Okay, you can add a file if you want. Okay, so you can look for other features and explore. But once you're okay with that, once you're okay with your prompt, then all you have to do is to press enter or click this arrow up, and Grok AI will generate a picture or image out from the prompt that you have copied from ChatGPT. So all you have to do is press enter or click the arrow facing up, wait for a couple of seconds, and Grok AI will generate that image for you. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can compare the Grok AI's way of generating picture to other AI tools. And if you think that Grok AI generate much better than other AI tool, then you can use this Grok AI. However, the Grok AI is just not that for free version. You need to upgrade your plan in order for you to use all the features or continually generate images. So as you can see, you can like, you can download, you can copy this and then paste it somewhere. You can also feel free to like the output or dislike if you're not contented. So everything is up to you. Now let's see if I'm going to copy other prompt again. So let me copy this and then paste it here in Grok AI and let's see what will be the result. So basically all you have to do is to just press enter or tap the arrow facing up. So I have tried to choose other model, but in order for me to use this, I need to upgrade my plan. So if you want to use Grok AI, so for the first result, if you think that you like how Grok AI generate pictures, then it's up to you if you want to upgrade your plan. So it's very easy to pay if you have Stripe, if you have PayPal, or if other payment method is okay in your region, then you can just pay and upgrade your plan right away. So as you can see, let's just stick to the free version. I'm going to press enter and then wait for a couple of seconds, and here is the result. So basically, maybe if you have upgraded your plan, and then you can use any other feature here, like if the Grok AI suggests something, all you have to do is to click that one, and Grok AI will generate again another picture based on the suggested prompt. So all you have to do is to just upgrade your plan. So I have tried to ask the suggested prompt right here or click the suggested prompt. However, there are some common errors. So if you encounter this, maybe you can reload or refresh your Grok AI. But if you still encounter the same problem, then I think you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to fix this. However, for the free version, it's okay. Still, Grok AI generates high quality and wonderful pictures based on your prompt. So all you have to do here is to just create specific and good prompt so that Grok AI will generate also high quality pictures and images for you. So as you can see, these are the result. And if you are satisfied with the results here, then you can just download. If you want to add features, like if you want to add people, let's just say I want to add people, let me save this picture first, then upload a file, and then I'm going to add people right here, and let's see if Grok AI will add people here on the picture. So I'm going to press enter, wait for a couple of seconds, and see the result right away. So basically, this is how easy it is to use Grok AI generator for free. I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.